Hello all, Paleozoic Comics here. I just got this package last week and have yet to open it. Been a little under the weather, so didn't get to it till today. Just going to do a quick unboxing and let me know what you think. Okay, ooh, a lot of the shredded paper, packing supplies. If I was one of those anal retentive comic book guys, I would really pitch a fit over that. It is a little annoying, but as long as it makes the package arrive safely, I'm okay with that. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, the first bundle. We see we have, okay, Incredible Hulk 600. And 601. And 602. Followed by 603. And 604. And I think you're picking up on a theme here. I believe this lot includes all the way till the end of that second or third volume of the Incredible Hulk, 635. When I started collecting again, I said I was going to get as much as I could of the first volume of Incredible Hulk. I just made the arbitrary stop off at 474, which is the end of the first volume or second volume, depending on how you count those out. And I thought maybe if I could get any of the later issues for a good price, I'd grab those too. And I believe this 36 book lot was just over $10, so I'd say that's pretty good for my money. I don't think there's any real keys in this lot. There's one of them. I think it's issue 608 is the first appearance of the Green Door, which kind of later became like the dimensional portal to the different psyches of the Incredible Hulk. But that's a nice pickup there. Oh, just two big bags here, but I think I had multiple mini auctions on here. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, Hulk 258. First appearance of the Soviet super soldiers, or full appearance, I guess. In issue 250, when the Hulk battles the Silver Surfer, they go pretty much around the world, and in some of the panels you see like still pictures rather of panels of characters that would appear in the following issues. And one of them was, you saw the Soviet super soldiers, and you also saw Sabra, who appears in 256, and the Arabian Knight, who appears in 257. Okay, we got some Thor issues here. We got 406. 405. 404. And 403. And also 401. 410. 409. 408. And 407. Oh, wow, I forgot about picking up another copy of this. Star Slayer, number 1. From Pacific Comics 1982. Features a preview of the first appearance of the Rocketeer in the following issue. And got some Teen Titans here. Special number 1. Number 44. Number 43. Annual number 2. Tales of the New Teen Titans featuring Starfire. That's number 4. And number 2 featuring Raven. New Teen Titans number 30. Oh, geez, some of these are not even bagged. And none of them appear to be boarded. And I think this is the one issue I was looking to get from this lot. Annual number 2. Featuring the first appearance of Vigilante. And also an ad for Intellivision Dungeons & Dragons game. I remember playing that one. Pretty crude, but fun. Tales of the Teen Titans featuring Cyborg, number 1. And annual number 1. Tales of the New Teen Titans, number 59. 34. And finally, the Marvel and DC crossover featuring the Teen Titans and the X-Men. I remember seeing this one when it came out, but I never had a copy till now, so that was a nice pickup. And that's the last of them. I wasn't sure what all I'd ordered. Well, I hope you're all having a great start to the new year. Mine's been pretty nice as well. I did a convention last month through the Quad Cities Con, or QuadCon, that came to our town, and that was a 2-day event. Had a real nice time. Got another con later this month. Looking forward to that. So hope you all are doing well. Let me know what you think. And remember, do not bring your evil here. Thank you.